Welcome to CSP 802 Research Methods, especially for Student Affairs. So glad to have you in class and really excited to kind of get to know you in a different way. Some of you I've gotten to meet in person and some I haven't. So I thought maybe this video would be a good way just to introduce myself and give you a few tips on the class and get us kicked off here. So this is the second time that I've taught this class online. And so last summer was the inaugural run of this online class for Student Affairs and Research. And there was some things that worked really well, some bugs to work out. So hopefully this semester and this summer we've been able to figure some of those things out. So I just wanted to give you an overview of how the course runs. There are modules that will come out every single week. We start our week on Tuesday and we go till the following Monday. That gives you a chance to work on things, and maybe if you decide you've had a fun weekend and didn't want to do homework, you still have Monday to get things done, and then I grade during the week. So you'll notice that might be a little different than some of your other classes. That seems to work well though. The other thing in the course, there's a Start Here module, and that's the first one. You should go in there and look. It has everything you need, I hope, for this course and to get you kind of on schedule, keep you on track. The syllabus is in there. There's another welcome video, which I did last year, and it's pretty good in terms of talking about the course if you want to look at that. It's helpful to know different things. A lot of it is still relevant, so I left it up there. The one thing that I do want you to notice on the syllabus and in the materials is you need SPSS. So that is the program we're going to be using a lot in the labs and learning how to do statistics and research. We use the statistical program SPSS, and you just need to have access to that. You can either buy it in the bundle with the required textbook. It's a little cheaper that way. You can find it online through Amazon. It's basically a rental program where you can rent it for 6 months. It's a very, very expensive just to purchase outright. So that rental works well usually. Or if you have access like on a campus or wherever, you can also go there. You just will need the ability to save your work so that you can upload it to the assignment tabs when we do the labs. So that's SPSS. Make sure you get on top of that early and have that, because we'll be using it here shortly, probably within the next 2 weeks. So, and then also in that folder are like the grading rubrics and participation discussion board guides for points, how you earn points in labs. So it just has a lot of good stuff in there. The other thing to take note of is there's a tab in the discussion boards that are for general course questions. So if you have a question about something, I check that frequently and answer it there, because then other people may have the same question and they can get that answered as well. Or maybe they hadn't thought of something, but that helps them know, how to tackle an assignment or whatever. So use that if you would. And actually, while you're there, our first assignment is to introduce ourselves in the discussion board area. So hop online, tell us a little bit about yourself so we can get to know each other in this course. So that's one of the things for this week. The other is we're going to have Module 1, which is on ethics. So that one will be open. We're going to ease into this research stuff, and you're going to learn about ethics of research. And there's a few videos to watch, a few readings to do, and then a quiz, which you will download and upload to the quiz area. So just spend some time this week getting to know the Blackboard and the format and what's in the course. And, if you have any questions, go to that general course discussion board. You can also check on email. Send me an email. I do check those pretty frequently and try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, so that is kind of the overview to the course. I'm really excited to have you guys in class. Looking forward to getting to know you. It is fast and furious, and there is one other important thing maybe that will help with that fast and furious pace. There's a few places in the syllabus you notice that it says like class live lecture. And what that means is I'm teaching research in the lab face to face. And so I've set it up so that when I'm teaching on a particular test, I've matched the syllabuses up so that if you want to jump in, zoom into that class, watch what we're doing, hear the discussion, you can. Now, it's not required, but I'm going to make that available if you're struggling a little bit with how to work SPSS, how to do the test, what the concepts are, because I know it's really difficult. And so that will be another resource for you. And the other thing I'll do is I'll tape those and then try to upload those afterwards into the course. If you can't get to it at that time when we're doing the live class, the classes are on Monday and Tuesday afternoons, then maybe you could watch the video. So it's just another resource. Hopefully it's helpful. And I will be sending out the invitations to those classes for you as they get closer. So, all right, I think that's it. I've taken up enough of your time already this morning. So welcome to class. So glad to have you, and we'll be talking soon. Bye-bye.